Imagine yourself in this Ford 2014 F-150 XLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Equipment Group 302A Luxury, Gross Vehicle Weight, 350 pounds payload package, Trailer Tow Package, XLT Chrome Package, XLT Convenience Package, XLT Plus Package, Select Shift Transmission and 4 speakers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.